together, so he was quite involved. He tasted the cake, did the venue basically, and yeah, I did bits and pieces, but it's been great. I think my mom, everybody's been very helpful. Everyone's going out of their way to obviously make sure that this day becomes what it's supposed to be. So yeah. A blessing. As much as when people think I'm blessed, I think I'm 10 times blessed to have a man as patient, big-hearted, and as loving as him. So yeah, I love him, I guess. I love you, Michael. So yeah.